Hello Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi and today at Kalpavastram I'm pleased to bring to you a very beautiful and special collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All the saris in this video are hand woven and the zari on them is pure zari. So let's get started with these kaleidoscopic Kanjivarams. We begin with a very beautiful and lovely color of short purple, and this Kanjivaram silk sari has all over zari checks. This is the gorgeous body of the sari and the color is a dual tone. It's a short purple, so it's a dhoop chow shade. The borders have milkand motifs and the body has all over zari cotton or checks. So this is a recreation of an old 70s or 80s kind of design, and it has a very vintage vibe to it. This is the stunning pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari, and it has seepareka in zari. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse to elevate the beauty of this gorgeous Kanjivaram. For lovers of pastel shades in Kanjivaram silk saris, we have a lovely blush pink tone Kanjivaram silk sari with yettukol weaving. Now, yettukol weaving is a kind of weaving found in Kanjivaram silk saris, where the zari is laid in such a manner that the zari is visible on the outer side, but it is not visible from the reverse side, or it is minimally visible from the reverse side. So this is a very lovely and subtle shade in Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a soothing, beautiful, soft pink, and the yettukol borders have these temples in zari. This is the lovely pallu of this beautiful sari, and the pallu also has yettukol weaving. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse and that will give a totally different look to this stunning Kanjivaram silk sari. Up next, we have a very beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in festive shades of arakku or a pinkish maroon and rustish shade. The body of the sari has all over kattam or checks, and these checks are bounded by zari borders. The borders of this beautiful sari are again in a pinkish maroon. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seepareka in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse. This is a very lovely sari with festive colors, and it's a very happy kind of sari. For the Rekha fans out here, we have a Rekha style gorgeous Kanjivaram with all over zari work. This sari is an Ayram Butta with Mail Chakram all over the body done in zari, and the base color of the sari is black. This is a stunner of a sari with all over Annam Chakram all over the body in zari, and the borders have Huilkand motifs, and it's a very gorgeous and exclusive beautiful sari. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari has heavy and intricate zari weaving with motifs of horses, elephants and diamonds. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric. This is a very unique, very beautiful and very gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. Another Ayram Butta with Mail Chakram. This one is in a gorgeous short rust, and the body has all over Mail Chakram and the borders have beautiful zari borders. The body of the sari is a beautiful short rust, so you can see the dual tone shades, the beautiful jewel tones. When you step out in the sunlight, you will see the full beauty of this sari. And the borders have zari with Huilkand motifs. The pallu of this beautiful sari has intricate weaving, and it has motifs of horses, diamonds and pakshis. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric, and this is one of our special picks for you today. Our collection of beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these saris from our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.